That was 10 seconds. Can I pick smaller fish or the large one? This I'm fishing worms, by the way, people, and this is a little creek, tiny little creek here, south of Brisbane. As you can see up there, there's all cars and everything like this. We're in the Logan area. Are you getting bites as well, Ahmed?
Yeah.
Yep. Ooh. There, just focus on yours. Watch your float, mate. Watch your float. How are you doing, Safety? We've got Safety up there as well. You on?
Yeah.
Alright, so Ahmed is on before me. Don't let him snag you, mate. You're gonna have to put, yeah. When he stops like that, you gain on him. Yeah, when he stops, you gain on him. Don't let him snag you. I would move over here to get him out of any type of snags. You're on to good fella. Alright, now we need to think about landing him. Is he on still?
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, so where are we going to land this fella?
Long. Is he?
Is it an eel? Oh, it might be. Oh yes, he's exactly what we're after. He's an eel. We were after these for shark bait. So if you could just land him up over here. Now this is exactly what we came for, because we needed bait for the shark. So Ahmed, what you're going to do, and I have a fish on this one as well. All right. I didn't even bring my knife or anything. Mullet.
Freshwater?
Okay. Don't put it too much. That's a big mullet. So what you want to do?
Ooh.
Yeah, you have. All right. It's a big mullet. Right. Don't go too hard. Is it allowing line out? Okay.
Yeah.
So walk around here, Ahmed. Yeah, and you want to basically try and land it around here. All right. Watch that snag. Watch that snag.
Oh, you almost got me there.
Yeah. Just yeah. What you want to do? You want to tire it out, but don't let it go around there, Ahmed. Rather fight it.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's going.
It's taking.
Yeah. Okay, see, beautiful, beautiful. That's a freshwater mullet, Ahmed. That's another freshwater mullet you've got. You've got the other one, and now you got this one as well. So we're back here. Everyone, we're back here at this little spot. We're back at this spot. We're gonna run a. We didn't get our eel. Today this escape. We have that one. Got that one nice freshwater mullet. This time, however, we're going to make it more interesting, and we're going to run a little comp like we normally do. This comp will run for exactly 1 hour, because frankly that's basically all the light we have left. So let me just put my timer on. Let me set it to 1 hour, and the time starts now. Good luck landing this fella. Alright, so guys, I'm on. The only thing is, a 3-pound line, and this guy is not mucking around. I was on earlier on and came off. This guy has got me. I might have to snag actually. I know he's got. There we go. He's big, this fella.
So big thing.
But he is. I think this is an eel. I reckon pulling him for half or large mullet. But what I'm saying, with that power, I reckon he's a carp. But possibly even a tilapia. Big fella. Look at that on the surface. Can you see that? He's a big fella. He's coming around here in the shallows. As I said, 3 pound line. £3 line, I think £6 leader. Good old Stradic 1000 on. Ooh, look at that. What is that? Carp?
I hope it's a killer. A freshwater.
Yeah, I think it's carp.
No.
If it's a freshwater mullet, he's a monster. It's an absolute monster if it's a mullet.
I look like folded. Kind of.
What is that? Carp. Carp.
A massive.
Yeah, he's a good size carp. These things can fight, mate. We've caught them all over. We've caught them out where we were.
From Burke to Parramatta.
That, yeah, summed it up well, so from Burke to Parramatta. There's a snag here. It's funny. How's that net going, Safety Dean?
It's very small.
Small, but you know, I'll leave the netting to me. Once he's a little bit tired on his side, then I'll get him in. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, he's quite a big carp. A little bit tired, he's on his side now. Yeah, he's got the swim off. Yeah, got him. Look at that, people. That is big. Woo.
That's massive.
Look at that. That's one mother of a carp.